When you said you want to be
Tomato paste on Arab bread.
Wait, my face.
Mikael is doing his own one.
And I'm also doing my own one, but I'm busy.
Got prawns, olives,
Okay, done.
tomatoes, onions,
So what are you next?
gourmet sausages,
Cheese, right? Cheese?
Oh, yeah,
Cheese.
cheese.
Oh my god, you forgot cheese?
mushrooms, and jalapeno.
Yum yum.
The style of the
What do you put next? Where's the cheese? Oh yeah, the cheese! And the was like, oh, I can't believe I forgot the cheese.
Okay, what are you doing?
Cheese. You say what I was doing. You didn't say what
cheese
kind.
is it?
It's called cheese. It's a very nice cheese.
mozzarella.
It's called milk cheese.
Doing so on Jom Salmon.
I don't know. I don't run the company.
Makan je tahu.
I don't run the company.
Okay.
Garnish.
Let's not put a lot like last time.
I must put a lot like last time.
What did last time? I put like a centimeter, like a quarter centimeter thick cheese. Garnish. Garnish. Olive time.
Kids who make their own food learn to eat their own food.
Absolutely.
Oh, we left the olives. You are the culprit.
One on the plate, one in the mouth, one on the plate. Mushrooms. Forgot to buy fresh mushrooms today.
But I don't want to put this one. I want to put this. 1, 2. My face is just. I want to put mayonnaise on it. Ooh. Okay. Well, yeah, can I put egg on it?
Yeah, but you put the egg.
This is from Jom Salmon. This is time. Yep. Yep. Excessive mushrooms.
Oh my god, so I can beat.
Are we done?
Making it look very natural.
Mushroom.
Cheese, cheese.
Not cheese, but cheese.
Alright,
Nice. Last layer of cheese.
Some jalapenos for you, Mika.
Oh, thank you.
He doesn't. We don't tolerate spice well.
What's this outside of your pizza?
That's nothing. As you can see, it's a visual glitch. It's right. Daddy edited it right there, just to make me. Yes, Daddy edited it. Yes, that edited the video, make it. Done.
Where to hold? You open this one like this. You put there. Don't touch your laptop. So when you push,
Then your face is in my. I cannot.
your face is in
I
my.
cannot move.
Careful.
I cannot put. It's so
Hurry
hard.
up. You don't wait so long lah. Put inside. Okay. You push this one. Yelah, I teach you. Some more.
Close.
Betul.
How many minutes, Mika?
I don't know. Pepper. My hands are wet.
Who put the big chunk of cheese?
Aim, aim.
I am. The wind's blowing it, of course.
Down there.
I like pepper. Ta-da!
Put in the oven, then eat.
Goes in the oven. Let's go.
How many minutes?
I don't know.
Well, this one's
Hold on.
down there. Just put down there.
Like where? Here?
Yes.
Takut lah. It's a lot.
Yes.
I put 2 times this amount.
Next. What? Next we take the onion.
The onion.
What did the cat say? Onion. What?
Tacos.
Remember?
Daddy.
No, yeah, tacos.
I made a hole the other way.
Take.
The table?
No, do the time lapse.
No?
Ooh, look at that egg! Pizza goyang. Number 2.
Yeah, finally got the goyang shot.
Come on, goyang it now.
Okay, Mikhail, cut it.
Let's goyang it first.
Mommy
Wait,
cut.
I need to move the...
Do the honors, Mikhail.
Hold the plate.
No, don't burn the pizza cutter. Thank you. Oh no!
Copyrighted lah, Amir. Copyrighted. You will get copyright strike, Amir. They will demand money. They'll sue us.
Coco, that's not centered.
I don't.
Okay, it's his pizza.
Yeah. Oh, you know I got the egg. Oh. Mommy, it's burnt. Pizza go.
Ready?
He ate before it.
Why you eat?
No! It's not mine.
Yes.
It's so burnt.
I almost said emeralds. The olives is nice. The egg is like an outer white, fluffy crust.
That's interesting.
And then the cheese is below is nice.
So I'm sitting like Uncle Roger.
Uncle Roger like this very nice pizza.
Okay.
You okay?
Yeah.
Uh-oh.
Cheesy. This is how we eat. Got me? We did all this stuff.
I think the 6 is it?
Yeah.
Why?
Why? You have 4 eggs too small.
Go see it, Coco. Choose.